Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by validating the essentials so the code can arrive. First, make sure your iPhone has a working internet connection and airplane mode is off. Send a quick web page to verify. Next, open the App Store and confirm Telegram is updated, because older builds can block verification flows. Once done, force quit Telegram and relaunch it, then request the login code again. These steps remove common blockers, so the service can successfully send a verification SMS or call to you. Now you focus on delivery details and alternatives. Check that the number you entered includes the correct country code and no spaces or symbols, because formatting errors stop routing. Open iPhone settings right arrow messages, right arrow unknown, and spam to ensure filtering or third-party SMS apps aren't hiding the code, and confirm you haven't blocked Telegram or unknown senders. If SMS fails twice, use Telegram's call verification option. Calls often bypass SMS filters and reach you when text. Finish by trying deeper remedies when the code still won't arrive. If you have access to another active number, try logging there to receive the code, then add your preferred number inside Telegram settings. This quickly isolates carrier issues. If that fails, backup chats to cloud, uninstall Telegram, reinstall, and request the code again. Reinstalls clear app-level corruption. If none of this works, contact your carrier to check SMS routing, and finally reach out to Telegram support with your number and timestamps so they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.